In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track core web vitals for every key page on your website. You'll be able to optimize your site's user experience and ensure Google's ranking signals are aligned with your goals. Stay tuned, because I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial for the tool I personally recommend, which you can grab in the description below. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you need to know is that Core Web Vitals focus on three key performance metrics: LCP, largest contentful paint, FID, first input delay, and CLS, cumulative layout shift. These measure how quickly your pages load, how responsive they are, and how stable the page is when it loads. They're essential for both user experience and SEO, and knowing how to track them will give you a competitive edge. Now, tracking Core Web Vitals for each of your key pages starts with Google's own tools. The first tool I'll mention is Google Search Console. In Search Console, under the Core Web Vitals section, you'll see real-world performance data from your users. This is based on data from the Chrome User Experience Report, so it's highly accurate. What's great about Search Console is that it breaks down your performance by URL, showing you which pages need attention. You'll get a clear picture of where improvements are required, but Search Console only gives you a high-level view. If you need more granular insights for every individual page, Page Speed Insights is your go-to. Simply paste in a URL, and it will generate a detailed report on each core web vital. It's straightforward and incredibly useful for digging deeper into specific issues, whether it's slow loading time or layout shifts. Page Speed Insights will also provide specific suggestions on how to fix the problems. If you're working with multiple pages and need more extensive tracking, Google Analytics can also be useful. Through the integration with Google's Web Vitals API, you can track these metrics on a page-by-page basis over time. This is especially useful for monitoring improvements or regressions as you implement changes. Another tool I recommend is Lighthouse, which is a browser-based tool that gives you a full audit of your page's performance, including Core Web Vitals. You can run Lighthouse directly from Chrome DevTools, and it provides a comprehensive breakdown of how your page is performing on those three key metrics. It's a great tool for developers looking for deeper insights into what's slowing down their site. For a more advanced and long-term tracking solution, consider using Puedzeb, Web Vitals extension by Google. This extension runs in the background while you browse your site and can provide continuous tracking of your core web vitals in real time. This tool is perfect if you're tracking performance over the long haul and need instant feedback as you make changes to your pages. At this point, you might be wondering, how do I take action on this data? The answer is simple. Start optimizing based on the insights you get. For example, if your LCP is slow, that could mean images are loading too slowly. Try compressing them or using lazy loading. If you have a high FID, it could be due to heavy JavaScript blocking the main thread, so try deferring non-essential scripts or breaking them into smaller chunks. And if CLS is an issue, ensure your images and ads have set dimensions to prevent unexpected shifts during load. To wrap up, tracking core web vitals for every key page on your site is critical for both SEO and user experience. Start with Google Search Console to get an overview, then dive deeper with Page Speed Insights or Lighthouse. Keep an eye on your site's performance over time using Google Analytics or the Web Vitals extension. The key takeaway: Core Web Vitals are essential for ranking well in Google and keeping your users happy. Prioritize these metrics, track them regularly, and optimize your pages accordingly. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the tools I mentioned today, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. This is only available to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.